Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacey. Today we are making a beef stew. Yes, it's gonna be an awesome dish. It's cold outside, it's cold everywhere. And in Florida, I can tell you guys, I never had feel the cold the way it is right now. So that's why I decided to make another comfort dish so that we can enjoy it and warm up our hearts and soul. These last few weeks, that's what I've been making. Kind of soup, stews and stuff because it's been so cold. So guys, let's go ahead and put this dish together. Let me show you what we have. I'm going to be using a large white onion. I already cut the onion nice and small. We're going to be using about 1.5 pounds of carrots. I have a combination of those little one and two large one. I'm going to be cutting those in a minute. I also have 1.5 pounds of potato. Those are the regular size potato, but they are in small size. Celery, 4 pounds of chopped rust, and it's perfect. It's beautiful, nice thick pieces. I ended up buying 2 separate pieces because they didn't have a big one for my taste, so I got 2 nice pieces. I'm going to be cutting those in a minute. To marinate the meat, I'm going to be using about 1 ounce of mojo, not too much. I'm also going to be using roasted garlic and herbs, Italian seasoning, chicken bouillon, and of course salt and pepper. One beautiful thing that I'm going to be putting on this dish is red wine. We're going to be using at least 1 cup or 1.5 cups of red wine. I'm also going to be putting vegetable broth. I decided to get the vegetable instead of getting the beef because we have plenty of beef here to get a nice flavor out of it. Guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the meat. Let's make sure we cut the meat at least 1.5 to 2 inches long. That's perfect. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put some pepper. Beautiful. Let's do some salt. Roasted garlic herb. Oh, that is beautiful. Italian seasoning. Now we are putting about 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And not too much, but just about 1/2 tablespoon of mojo marinade. Let's go ahead and mix all this together. I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. That's going to help with a beautiful coating when we kind of deep fry it in the beginning before we put it in the slow cooker. Guys, I just wanted to tell you that today is super cold and it's like, I mean, it must be like 20 degrees outside. So that's why I decided to make this beautiful stew. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Let's put about 1 tablespoon of oil, not too much. We want to make sure the oil is nice and hot because we want to seal this meat when we put it in. So we are just going to do one at a time. I'm going to be doing this in 2 sections. I gave it 4 minutes on each side. The rest of the cooking is going to happen on this, in the slow cooker later on. So I'm going to use the same cooking pan just like that, and I'm going to start putting the rest of the meat. It's like if we were doing a stir fry. We want to just kind of brown the meat on the outside. So we are not really cooking it right now. We're gonna let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on that side before we turn it over. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the meat out of the skillet. This is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and put the onion. We wanna make sure we don't waste that beautiful flavor that is in there in the skillet. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little hint of water. That is awesome and it smells beautiful. So it's time to put this dish together. Now we are going to use the slow cooker. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put this beautiful dish together. Here is the beef. Okay, we are going to go ahead and put the carrots. The potato. I'm just putting a broth. And remember, I'm using the vegetable broth because the beef is going to bring that beautiful flavor. So, and that's what I want. Guys, here comes the best part of this dish. A cup of red wine. That is awesome. Put a little extra salt. This is smelling so beautiful. Now that we are marinating the sauce, a little extra pepper. What I'm gonna do is we have to set in low or high. So if I do it in high, I can do it in about 4 to 5 hours. But if I do it on low, it's gonna be about 6 to 7 hours. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on low and I'm gonna give it about 6 to 7 hours and let's forget about it. So now we have all day to do whatever we want. This is looking good, guys. So I'm just putting about a cup of peas. It's frozen because it's going to be cooking for about an hour. This is the last hour of the process. And I'm also putting some mushroom, about half a pound of mushroom. Nice fresh mushroom. We've been cooking for about 6 hours right now on low, and I'm going to bring it up to high for the last hour. But this is looking beautiful. The smell, it's beautiful. The smell of the wine and the seasoning, that is just perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and try the broth and make sure that it's up to taste. It's perfect. We're going to cover it again on high temperature, 1 hour. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like. It smells so good, guys. That wine, you can smell it. So look at this. Wow, it's beautiful. Let me get the camera closer. Wow, this is beautiful. Everything is nice. And look at the meat. Just perfect. Just the way we wanted it. Look at that. It breaks so easy. It's nice and juicy. It's perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what we wanted, and that's what we got. The potatoes are nice and tender. You guys can see the carrots. Guys, look at the meat. Oh, that beef. It looks so pretty. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. This stew, man, this came out awesome. It smells delicious. It looks beautiful. The meat, it can just break so easy. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow. Oh, so delicious. This is perfect. Perfect for this day, especially. I bet my husband is going to love it. Oh, you guys, so look at this. I hope you can see it because I wish you could taste it too. Well, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos. I really appreciate it. I see you guys on the next video. God bless. Let's eat.